Hello. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Trenta Terrarium. All you need is two big cups that a small cup can fit into. Currently I'm using two Trenta cups and a tall cup from Starbucks, but you can use this with any cup that will fit inside of another cup like this, and it will look completed something like this. This will fit inside that one after you remove that bit, and then this insert piece, you'll put dirt in it and it will be ventilated at the top and bottom so air can flow freely around it while it's sitting inside. We're going to be cutting plastic with sharp tools, so this is to be done by an adult. You'll want like a small razor such as this one. Then I have a hole punch, and then I also have this guy, just a straight edge. And be safe, tuck your blades when you're not using them. This is not a blade. Tuck your blades when you're not using them. First things first, I usually like to stick this piece in where the lip is, like so, and then kind of catch my debris in my hand and then funnel it towards the garbage, if that makes sense. I'll just show you. Ready?
This one's medium. It's good. Thick is bad. Too difficult. I like to get as many holes as I can, so I leave like a very small amount of plastic between each hole. But I mean, it's probably not necessary if I do 3 holes, honestly. Like, it'd probably be enough ventilation. This is me like maximizing its potential ventilation, I guess. I don't really know. Somebody else can do that experiment. Tell me how 3 holes do. Maybe that's all you need. But I also kind of like the way it looks. It looks cool. Looks professional. And the last one, gonna get right in the middle.
Then we got all our holes, like so. Yep, that looks pretty good. Next, we do the bottom holes. So we just want to do like a little slice here, and a little slice here. And once more, be careful. Use safety gear. I have been doing this for a very long time, so I know what I'm doing. Another little hole there, and then I do 6 of these. Don't worry about making it. No worries. Recover that later. No worries about making it a particular size. If you're working with really fine dirt or sand, maybe you need to make them smaller. There you go. You got 6 holes. And then you take that and you stick it in one of those. You got half done. Bottom half is done. Next, you just need to cut the lip off this guy. And what I did was I made a little special tool for that. I just took a venti cup and put a little slot in it. Stick this tool here into that slot, like so. Tool inside the slot, and it sticks out just a bit here. There, you can see it there, sticking out a smidge. Make it the focus. Okay, see it's sticking out here. And that is going to sit into this cup, like so. And then I'm going to press the blade into the side of the Trenta cup, like so. And then I just rotate everything.
Sometimes you'll skip. You just back it back out, go back to where it slipped. And continue. Reach your end, okay. Back to where I skipped again. Slice that piece. There you go.
Got this piece done. Take this piece out, put your blade away, put your materials, put your blade away, materials in your cup, set them aside. Go to your mom's stash of fertilizer and soil, fill up your cup with the magic of having already done it. Ta-da. Stick it in, you press it in real tight, you know. Get your soil nice and wet. Put your plant in there, put your top on. You can release a little bit of air, and then get your vacuum seal going. This ain't going nowhere. Top's on there. We're good. Well, until it gets really hot inside and then pops off. But eventually you'll have this going on. This is a 4-month-old juniper that I took as a cutting a while back. It's loving it. It's even got some other plants going on in there that don't belong, that I need to take out. You can see that this green algae or algae. I don't know how to pronounce things. I'm an American. I just make stuff up as I go, you know. But got some green stuff going on there. Not a big deal. Honestly, it acts as fertilizer kind of in a way. But this system has been enclosed for at least 2 months now. And how you go about watering it is you just tilt it to the side. You can see the water going up. I usually rotate it around like this to get the condensation off the side of the cups, you know? And then you can see that the plant is now being watered. And you can see it draining here. It's so simple. It's so perfect. It's like genius. This is probably one of my greatest achievements in life. I don't know about that. This is a really cool idea that I had one day, and it has been paying off. Look at this guy. I'm gonna open it just for you guys. Okay. Look at this guy. Look at that juniper. Just loving it in there. Loving it in there. I don't know what this guy's doing in there, but it's gotta go. I do not want whatever that is. Just another guy here. Okay, go. He's such a strong boy. That's the Trenta Terrarium. It's a fun little project. They're super cool, they're super easy to make, and they last forever, and they're eco-friendly. They may save the environment one day. It's a repurposed, reusable Trenta Terrarium system. They're great.